here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sensory bin with rice. Super easy. All you need is some rice from anywhere. It can be from Walmart. They sell a really big bag for really cheap. And some vinegar or rubbing alcohol. I've noticed vinegar works better because it doesn't leave the scent like rubbing alcohol does. And then a little bit of food coloring because we want to make it pretty. We're going to make ours green because it's the month of March and that's the color we're learning about. So fill up a bowl with rice. Alternatively, you can fill up a bag with rice too. Sorry, my cat wants to join our video. You can fill up a bag with the rice too and then shake it. So bowl or bag will work. So first thing, you're just going to pour a little bit of vinegar in. There's no real science to it, just enough to kind of coat it a little bit. White vinegar works best. Just kind of mix it up a little bit. And then add your food coloring. You do need a good bit of the food coloring though. And then we're going to mix that until it turns the amount of green that we want it to. And then after that, you can see I have a pan here with parchment paper. I'm going to lay it out on the pan with the parchment paper, and you can either let it sit for a few hours on your counter and it will dry itself, or if you're looking for it to dry a little bit quicker so the kids can play with it sooner, you can put it in the oven at 200 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes, and that will dry it even quicker. Just keep an eye on it. At 10 minutes, I sometimes will go flip it, see if it still feels wet, and then I'll leave it in another 5 minutes. Once it's dry, if you want, you can add other fun things to your rice. At school, our sensory bin has little St. Patrick's Day pots, gold coins, little green clovers in it, so you can be as creative as you want. And the great thing about this is the rice, again, is food, so if the kids put it in their mouth, no big deal. So now that it's all mixed and green, as you can see, we're going to lay it out on our parchment paper. And I am going to put mine in the oven to let it dry just because it works quicker. And I would just lay it flat on your pan, just like that. And then voila! We'll be back in a little bit to show you what it looks like dry, and I'll even show you my daughter playing with it so you can see how much the kids love it. Thanks, guys!
Hey friends, Miss Ashley here. My rice is all done. It's nice and dry and it's all green. I've put it in a container and I've given my daughter Aria here some things to play with it with, spoons, bowls, cups, whatever I can find in the house right now. And she's just having a good time exploring the rice. So I urge you guys, if you have some rice and vinegar at home, to have a good time with your kids and make them a little sensory table to have a good time. It might get a little messy, but that's okay. That's all about play and learning through play, and it's all about having a good time. And as you can see, my little one here is having a good time playing. Thanks, guys. Bye.